To measure shoulder medial rotation range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is supine with the shoulder abducted to 90 degrees, the elbow flexed to 90 degrees, and the forearm pronated. A folded towel is placed under the humerus. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the olecranon process of the ulna. The stationary arm is aligned perpendicular to the floor, and the moving arm is aligned with the ulnar border of the forearm and the ulnar styloid process.
Ms. Smith, I'm going to measure how much you can move your shoulder using this device. When I ask you to, I want you to move your arm down this way and hold it there. Now move your arm down, hold it there, you can relax.